Alright, so I know a lot of you guys throw this piece of red thing that cover the battery. So I'm going to show you what this little piece for. This little piece right here. So normally on these cars it comes with a piece of hose like this piece right here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna push it in this side like this, so the fumes can leave from the battery and go outside, leak outside. And right here, so on this side here, there's another hole. I don't know if you can see it properly, but there's a little hole right here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna break up this piece. What you can do, try and get it in just like this, and then twist it, break off. So that's what it used for, guys. So stop throwing away this piece. Okay guys, look on it. Alright, so if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching.